Ladies and gentlemen, this was the Q-dance stage in Mysteryland 2012. Q-dance stage. Mysteryland 2012. Thank you all for making this another amazing edition.
You say that I'm changing, but I'll always be the same. Complaining and hating, guess it's your favorite game. I don't care anymore what you think this music's for. You ain't me and I ain't you. And guess what? I'm sick of you too.
With a smile on your face, Chile. With a big fat smile on your face. I love you so much. I love you so much. This is how we go home. This is how we go home. And I love you so. I love you so.
Everybody was kung fu fighting. Those kids were fast as lightning. In fact, it was a little bit frightening. But they did it expert timing. I'm sure that it was kung fu fighting.
Ladies and gentlemen, the end is almost near.
Muchas gracias, Chile. Muchas gracias. Mucho gracias, Chile. Seriously. You are number uno. You are number one. And don't be sad. Don't be sad. Because next year, we are back. One more time. For everybody around the world to hear. One more time. At the count of 3, I want to hear your voice touch this beautiful sky out there. You ready one more time? At the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. This was Q-dance at Mystery Land.